Your domain's already up, serving a website, but a domain gives you a second thing too, email. Let's make mail sent to you at your domain land right in the normal inbox you already check, Gmail, Outlook, whatever, for free in a couple of minutes. No new inbox to run, no mail server. The trick is forwarding. Instead of running a whole mailbox, you tell your domain, anything addressed to it, send straight to my existing inbox. Cloudflare does that part for free. It's called email routing, and Server Manager wires it all up for you. There are actually two roads here, free forwarding or a paid mailbox, so let me open the setup and lay them side by side. Here's the fork. Forwarding, the first card, is the free route we'll take. It costs nothing, it's ready in a couple of minutes, and there's no new inbox to check. Mail just drops into the Gmail or Outlook you already use. The catch? It's built for receiving, so when you reply, mail still goes out from your Gmail address unless you set up Gmail's Send As. The second card is a real mailbox from a provider. That's paid, a few dollars a month, but you send and receive natively as you at your domain with proper storage. Rule of thumb, forwarding if you just want mail to reach you for free. A paid mailbox if it's your main professional front door. For one person and one domain, keeping it free, forwarding wins easily, so I pick it. The next screen flags one thing to do first, over at Cloudflare. It's called out in orange. So I hop over to Cloudflare, open email routing, and click Onboard Domain. It shows the mail records it's about to add for me, and then it stops with a warning. The issue? My domain already had its own mail records from before, and email routing needs to be the only thing handling mail for the domain. It won't share. So I open the domain's DNS records, delete the old conflicting entries, and run the onboarding again. This time it goes straight through, and email routing is switched on. You'll only hit this if the domain was already set up to receive mail somewhere else. Back in the wizard, the last thing it needs is a key. And it spells out exactly which one. A custom Cloudflare token with just 4 narrow permissions, all scoped to this single domain. Over at Cloudflare, I build that token, read the zone, edit its DNS, manage email routing, nothing more, and scope it to this one domain. Cloudflare shows the value once. I copy it and paste it back into the wizard. Normally, you'd never show a token on screen. I'm only relaxed because I'll delete this one right after. Now I choose the address. I'll forward admin at my domain, though a star would catch every address at once, and point it at the inbox I actually read. Any inbox works. It doesn't have to be Gmail. Then, set up routing. One safety check. Cloudflare needs to know I really own the inbox I'm forwarding to, so it emails it a confirmation link. I open that inbox, click the link, come back, and hit Check Now. If the destination happens to be your own Cloudflare account's email, it's trusted automatically, and this step just disappears. And that's it. Server Manager wrote the mail records into Cloudflare for me, my inbox is verified, and the forwarding rule is live. 3 things done for you that you'd otherwise wire up by hand. Let's prove it. From a completely different account, I send a message to admin at my domain. The first mail from a brand new domain can land in spam, so I check there, mark it not spam, and it drops into the inbox. There it is. It works. So, email at your own domain, landing in the inbox you already use for free. 2 quick reminders. Replies leave from your Gmail address unless you add Gmail's Send As, and if you ever outgrow forwarding, that paid mailbox is 1 click away. This was the receiving half. There's a matching sending half, letting your app send mail as your domain, in its own short video next. For most people, though, this, free, done in 5 minutes, is all they'll ever need.